Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Baccarat Wok with Lid. Now this is a 32 centimeter Iconics. Alright, so we're just going to see what's inside this box and what it looks like. Now so here this will works with induction, gas, halogen, oven, electric, ceramic and dishwasher as well. Don't know how you're going to put this in a dishwasher. It's quite big, so let's open it right now. Alright, so this is inside the box. I'm going to pull it out. Maybe I'm just going to pull that standing up like this. It's actually quite heavy because it's got a lid as well. Okay, I'm going to put it out this way, just a lot easier with to put it out with my camera. Alright, so this is the lid right here. So that's the lid, and this is the wok right here. The wok is actually lighter than the lid itself. It's quite thin, it's not very thick. Now inside here there is a plastic wrap, so we're just going to remove it. Alright, so the handle is actually quite nice and thick right here. You can hear how thick is the handle, and this is the wok itself. And here you can see it's actually not that thick at all with the wok itself, but this is what it looks like. Retail price for this one is $199, nearly $200. It is 32 centimeter by 90 centimeter, so it has a lid as well with this wok right here. It's quite nice, have a shiny line at the top here, and this is another handle over here, so it's very handy that when you need to lift up the wok, you have a handle on this side as well as a long handle on this side here as well. It's even got the Baccarat brand on the long handle right here. And this is what inside the wok is. You can just for the scale, I'll put my hand in. You can see how big it is with a 32 centimeter wok right here. This is what it sounds like. Alright, so on the box here it says suitable for all cooktops, easy to clean, stay cool cast stainless steel, riveted handles, and it has a stylish satin finish exterior and easy view temperature with a glass lid. Okay, so this is the lid right here. Let's have a very nice and thick handle on the lid itself, and this is what it looks like once you put the lid on the wok. And it fits nicely around the wok right here. Also have a small steam escaper, so allowing the steam to go out while the lid is on. And yeah, so that's the wok right there. Costs around $200. You can purchase this online or from my local store. And it's quite a nice wok. Actually quite like the design of the wok, and it's fairly heavy with the lid on. Alright, so we're just going to test it out. So you can see how much food can fit within this wok right here. This is a vegetarian meal as well. You can see there's no meat in here. There's bean and tofu and eggplant. So yeah, this is the wok in action right here. Very nice wok for your cooking. It is a nice addition to your kitchen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.